Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious treat perfect for Navaratri, potato pancakes or aloo ke pancakes. These crispy delights are not only tasty but also suitable for fasting. Let's get started. First take 2 large potatoes, peel them and grate them in a bowl. In a large mixing bowl, combine the grated potatoes and grated ginger. Add 1 chopped green chili. Add 2-3 spoons of peanut powder or crushed peanuts. इसमें हम सिंघाड़े का आटा यूज़ करेंगे फॉर बाइंडिंग। अगर आपके पास सिंघाड़े का आटा नहीं है तो आप कुट्टू का आटा भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। इसमें हम डालेंगे सॉल्ट, रेड चिली, ब्लैक पेपर एंड आमचूर। अगर आपके पास धनिया है तो आप चॉप धनिया भी डाल सकते हो इसमें, इससे फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा आएगा। Place the tawa on medium heat. Lightly grease it with ghee using a brush. Take a portion of the mixture and shape it into a flat pancake. इसको कुक करेंगे 4-5 मिनट्स तक until it turns golden brown. Continue with the remaining mixture. Apply ghee on other side and flip the pancake and cook for another 4-5 minutes. And there you have it, golden crispy potato pancakes. Serve them hot with green chutney or yogurt. Perfect for your Navaratri celebrations. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Happy Navaratri.